Okay, so today we start a new project on this RV. We're going to be peeling off all the bubbling existing top coat. And I think I'm going to go with APOC 243. It says it's not designed for flat roofs, yet everybody uses it on their RV. And looking down here, we've got a slope, and I don't think it's going to pool anywhere, so I think we should be good. So let's get this started. Yeah, you can see under some of this where water has already gotten underneath it, and it's starting to create moss and such. You can see all the water in here. So yep, this whole roof is going to need this. This is going to take a day or two. Yeah. All right, well, you can see where I pulled up all the loose stuff. You see all the dirt and moss and everything starting to form underneath it. This is just all the loose stuff. There's still more to be gotten, but it's everywhere. So we'll get as much as we can up, and then I'm going to pressure wash it and put a couple coats of that sealer on here. That ought to do it for 5 or 6 years. I was up on the roof. I had to glue this vent cover. This piece was chipped out. So, well, I got the stuff to coat the roof, but it just looks like it may rain, and it's water-based. And it'll completely ruin it if it doesn't dry, so whenever it gets wet. So I don't want to put it on today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I don't know. Well, here it is Monday morning. I've waited for this day because I was going to put this on. I've waited for clear weather. I need a few days. Since this is water-based, I needed a few days with no rain. It's raining. A 1% chance today of rain. So I can't start this yet because you can see it's wet. The other good thing is this roof. I've got all this loose stuff, the coating peeled up. This underlayment is the rubber. And you see how it's all white? That's a good thing. See that trailer over there? It's a bad thing. The UV has gotten to it. I've examined that further, and that whole membrane on top of that trailer has got to be replaced, as well as the wood underneath. So that's going to be quite a project. That whole roof needs to be undone. So anyway, we're going to get started on this as soon as it stops raining, and I got clear weather for the next 24 hours. Okay, well, we've got the first coat on. This has got us set up for 24 hours. I had the air conditioner on, and it was puking out some water, so I had to shut off the air conditioner, and I'll get that spot tomorrow, not turning on the air conditioner. Anyway, that's done for now.